What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are making a lasagna, but not the normal lasagna. This is a Mexican lasagna. You take ground beef and you put refried beans and taco seasoning, and you make layers with lasagna noodles and cheese and stuff. Really good. Hey, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. We try to put out a video every week. My name is Tom. This is Tasting Around. Here comes the video. You guys enjoy it and let me know what you think about it. So we browned 2 pounds of ground beef. This was really fatty beef, so I drained it. Brown it till all the pink is gone, and we're going to add 1 can of green chilies chopped. That's 4 ounces. We're going to add 1 can of refried beans, and I use the fat-free because I can't tell the difference. That is a 16-ounce can of refried beans. All right. We're going to put a taco seasoning packet in here. Let's sprinkle that over the top. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot taco sauce. This is the Diablo from Taco Bell. I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons of water to wash that out. All right, and we're going to stir all of this together. And this will be our lasagna filling that would be in traditional lasagna. I always have to play with this one just a little bit. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh. Definitely want to put the second taco seasoning packet. Once you get that stirred up well, you're going to set that to the side. There are 2 cups of beef stock, and we're going to put in 1 jar of salsa. I'm using mild. Mike would probably use hot, but I'm going to use mild. I kind of scoop some of that and wash that out. Get everything out. There's some goodies on the lid. We're just going to stir that together. All right, set that to the side. We're going to use a 13 by 9 dish. This is a Pyrex 13 by 9. Does it actually say that? 9.5 by 13.5, so it's almost a 9 by 13. A 9 by 13 pan. We're going to hit that with a little spray. Now we've got our beef mixture, and we're basically going to divide it into three, because we're going to make 3 layers. So I have 1 package of lasagna noodles. Now they say you can use uncooked. I don't like them uncooked. I would rather have the cooked noodles. I think it's a weird texture kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of this on the bottom. Just kind of spread it out. All right, we're going to layer some noodles. Always too long for that last one. Okay. we're going to put about a third of our meat mixture. Kind of guess it. That looks like about a third. We're going to spread that out. Now I've let this cool a little bit. I'm just going to use my fingers because it's kind of thick. Okay. On top of that, we're going to put about a cup of Colby Jack cheese. Sprinkle that. Right. Another layer of noodles. Another layer of beef. Spread that out. Okay. Put another cup of cheese. And another layer of noodles. Let's go that way again. Okay, and we're going to put our last bit of beef on top of that. Our oven is preheated to 350. And top it with cheese again. And one more layer of noodles. And I'm gonna push on this last layer. So I want these guys to condense, to pack down. And we'll use all these little pieces that we have left. The other ones. Okay. All right, let me clean up over here. So we now have everything, our layers. It's pushed down. We're going to take our sauce that we made with the salsa and the beef stock, and we're just going to pour that over the top. Let it soak in the layers. You kind of have to let it go slow and get in between the layers. All right. Now, any side that's poked out like that, I'm going to put it down because the noodles, if they're not covered, they get hard. All right. So we're going to cover this and bake it for 1 hour at 350. I just cover it with foil. All right, guys, it has been an hour now. So we're going to take the cover off. That's stuck. Yeah, that's really hot. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so now we are going to top that with 3 cups of sour cream. The easiest way to do it is to put it in a big bag like this. Get the end of it. Like this, and just chop off the end. Because you want to put it evenly and we don't want to mess anything up. Alexa, stop. So we're going to take our 3 cups of sour cream. And spread that over the top. I don't know how I managed to get 2 holes with 1 cut, but I did. Okay. And I'm going to use an offset spatula to kind of spread that out a little bit. We're going to take 1 can of black olives. This is a 2.25 ounce can of black olives. And we're going to sprinkle that over the top. They've been drained, but there's a little bit of water still in them. Okay. We're going to put about another cup or so of cheese on the top of that. Like that. Perfect. Now we're going to take about 3 to 4 green onions that we've chopped up and sprinkle that over the top of that. Awesome. This will go back in the oven for about 5 minutes uncovered until that cheese melts. This is it, guys. Mexican lasagna. Yes, indeed. Yum, yum, yum. All right, guys, let's give it a little taste here. Cut a piece out. Yeah, that looks good. Let's put a black olive on there. Black olives. It's been easier just to cut a piece, but y'all, that is good. That is really good. Man, oh man. Give that a try. Your family will like it. If you like Mexican food, that's the bomb. Give it a try. If you try it, put your comment down below. I'd love to hear you. I'd love to hear from you and see what you think about it. My name is Tom. This is Tasting Around. Please hit subscribe down below. 1 quick second. Click. You're done. You're subscribed. Every week we'll try to put out a new video. You guys have a great week. Be safe out there, and we will see you all next week.